Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video. By merely clicking on advertisements, you can continually earn $15, $80, or even $150. To begin, all you need to do is click on the ads. That is precisely how individuals from various countries around the world can earn money by just clicking on advertisements. Don't worry, this is completely legitimate and free, and this is accessible in any country in the world. All you need is a computer or a smartphone. Before we go to this video, welcome to Money Methods, where we will teach you the most recent ideas, hints, and techniques for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Going back to the video, I'll give you a ton of examples and proof in this video, and you can follow along step by step. I'll reveal a secret about how all of these people can make up to $500 to $1,000 if you stick with me through the end. Make sure you pay attention and don't miss anything because I've never heard anyone else discuss this. Let's watch the video now. ATIClicks.net is the website I'll show you today, where you can get paid just for clicking on advertisements. If you don't watch this video, you won't earn money. And even if you do, the money will remain in your account and you won't be able to withdraw it. Therefore, you must watch through to the very end to discover all the errors to avoid and properly cash out your money. All of your online activities can start earning you extra money. You can play games, complete offers, refer friends, engage in surveys, contests, and other activities. However, I want you to concentrate on visiting websites. That means you can earn real money by just visiting different websites and clicking on different advertisements. On this website, they are incredibly open about all of their profits. You can view their daily and weekly payout totals here. Currently, this website has approximately 43,000 registered users. They even displayed the names of everyone who had taken a withdrawal in the previous 25 days, together with the information on their location and mode of payment. You have a variety of payment alternatives when you cash out your money, such as PayPal, bank transfers, Skrill, KTM, AirTM, cryptocurrency, NetTeller, and Perfect Money, to name a few. There are simply a ton of various payment methods available worldwide. I'll show you all the payment proof. Many people have already cashed out their money, and you can see from the username part that they come from various countries. There are a lot of people from all over the world who are now able to make money online by just clicking on advertisements, as indicated by the flags next to each user's username, and you can see the total amount paid here. Without any prior expertise, anyone can complete this, and I'll provide numerous examples of how to increase your income. On these platforms, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Simply click on this button to register for a free account if you want to create one. That will take you to this page, where all you need to provide is your full name, email address, a username of choice, and set up password. Just enter your birth date and birthplace and click the I'm not a robot button to confirm that you understand and agree to the terms of the service. Then click the register button. The leaderboard will be the first thing you see when logging into your account. They'll display the highest earner for you to see. Take this one as an example. You can see the username, the country, and the overall earnings of more than $1,500. Since April 2020, this user has been a member of ATI Clicks. These are all individuals from various nations who are capable of making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year, and all they do is something that you can also do. When you go into your account, you can see a variety of ads to click on, with banner ads being the most popular. When we get to the right section, all of these banner ads will be there for you to click on and earn money repeatedly. You can do this on your computer or mobile device if you choose to click on any of these banner ads. which will take you to a random website. Remain for 30 seconds on this website. You don't need to click any buttons, register, or make any purchases. Make sure you avoid making this mistake, which is one extremely vital thing. Many people don't do anything when they click on the banner ads and visit the website. They don't browse elsewhere on the page, they simply remain here. Make sure you avoid making this error because ultimately, they don't make any money from these ads. I want you to browse this website. You need to look around because if you don't do anything, they'll assume that you're a robot and won't put any money into your account. It's crucial that after entering the website, you move around, scroll, and stay there for a short while. Once you've moved a little, you can just hold your position for 5 to 10 seconds before starting to move once more. By doing that, you can prove to them that you are a real person, not a robot. They can credit money to your account after 30 seconds. Once you've finished with one banner, you can just click another. On this website, there are just a ton of different banner ads that you can click to begin earning money. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The second method of payment is to click on the daily fixed ads, which are all the ads you can click and remain on for roughly 10 seconds to receive payment. This specific method is being employed by many people to increase their income. Let me show you a few of their forums payment proofs. My 6th payment, payment number 3, my payment, and my 12th payment are all shown here. If you click on any of these, you will be directed to a page where all the results, proof, and testing models are shared. People report their earnings in such large numbers on this website, and all they do is click on the daily fixed ads. For instance, if you click on any of these advertisements, you'll be taken to this random website. To prove that you are not a robot, all you need to do is remain still for 10 seconds while moving around. Once the 10 seconds are up, you can receive money and you can repeat the process as necessary. I want to share with you an additional idea that nobody else has mentioned. Ensure that you perform this 5 times every day. Complete at least 5 daily fixed ads per day, and you'll be able to multiply your income and outnumber everyone else by a 10-fold amount. Once you have completed 5 daily fixed ads, you can unlock the standard ads, which will pay you 10 times as much. To receive payment for any of these advertisements, you must remain there for 30 seconds. For instance, if I click on this ad, I'll be redirected to another website. The amount of time you must wait varies based on the adverts you are clicking, from 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Typically, the longer you wait, the more money you will make. Once again, if you browse around for 30 seconds on this page, you will be compensated. I'll show you the top bonus tip as I promised. No one else is talking about this, and it will essentially let you make hundreds of thousands of dollars on this website. On this leaderboard, you can see the top earners as well as the total earnings. Additionally, you may view their referral profits. More than $1,000 of the $1,400 comes from referral commissions. That is the key to understanding how the top earners are ranked on the leaderboard and how they get the greatest income by merely sending others to this website. By referring them to ADI clicks, you can achieve the same result. On the one side, you can earn money by clicking on adverts, and on the other, you can create an additional revenue stream by referring others to this page. I want you to visit dimeforum.com. This is the area where people talk about various aspects of getting money online. You can join for free, and there is a lot of activity on this forum. Since many people visit this website to look for free information, a lot of people are posting on this forum, which generates a ton of free traffic. Just for example, if you were to search "How can I make money online?", you can find various people asking similar questions on this page if you click the search button, which will take you here. On this website, you can see that people are asking questions and looking for ways to make money. You can see that other users are posting their responses to this question. For instance, you can type a response to this post in the space provided if you scroll down below and look for it. On the Dime Forum post, this is where you'll put your referral code. You only need to keep doing this to acquire lots of referrals on dimeforum.com. You can simply direct targeted individuals who are searching to make money online to the website ATI Clicks. They will be appreciative of you for that, as you showed them a place where they can earn money online for free. A win-win situation exists here. They learn how to make money and you can get paid a referral fee. One of the finest ways to get money on ATI Clicks aside from clicking advertising is through this. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!